Right morning. It is Thursday. I don't know why it feels like Wednesday, but it's Thursday, October 14th, which means it's my husband's birthday. Happy birthday, Usher. I wish I could spend it with you. I'm just playing. No men who are taken at all. We're not doing that one. Yeah, I'm really trying to do what I said, where it's look presentable even though you don't have makeup on. And I don't have any makeup on. I just threw on my little wig and I just put on an outfit. Nothing spectacular, nothing extravagant, just something comfortable that I can move in and feel good in. So yeah, I'm really trying to just look and feel the part. Like, I feel like I look good. Skin still, you know, needing a little work, but I feel like I look good. I feel presentable. I don't feel weird going outside. I don't have my hat on. I don't feel the way I was feeling like last week when I was wearing my hat, and you know, I feel, I guess you could say, put together. And this wig is still doing pretty well. I really need to get a wig stand though, because I literally throw the wig back in the bag and I don't want for the curls or anything like that to mess up. But it is now 9:24. I need to go hurry up and make me a smoothie, a protein smoothie to be exact. Drink me some water, and then I need to head out. I really want to try to get a car wash in today because my car needs it. It needs it, and my daughter's not in school right now. I mean, my daughter is in school right now, so my nose itching. Y'all know it's just itching. So I feel like now would be the perfect time to get that out of the way, get it done. But yeah, my car really needs a car wash. So I'm gonna go make my smoothie. I'm going to go drink it, get a little things done while I'm here, and then I'll be back later. So of course now I'm in the car and I made my smoothie. This is the Slim Fast Vanilla Protein Mix. I used about 1.5 scoops. I know I really shouldn't have used that much because it says to use 1, but I used almond milk, added some frozen berries, that way you can kind of get the thickness. And I was gonna donate these bars, but I was real hungry yesterday. I'm like, I want to try something, so I had like a lot of these. And I say a lot of these, I had a lot of these bars. They're really good, and I've tried 3 of them already. I feel so big, but this is really good. So I'm throwing that in my bag. It's gonna be like my little snack, because I am not trying to do like the fast food, and I'm not trying to do all of those things at all. By any means am I trying to gain weight. I'm trying to lose the weight. I think I'm gonna go get a car wash. I just have to find a decent one near. I know last time it was probably like 30 minutes away, and that car wash was real clean, the Mr. Clean one. I don't want to go there. But yeah, I have not cleaned this car, got like a wash, since, I have to say, August. Yeah, so it's time. Like, look at the floors. Look. And my daughter, I got that lifted up, but my daughter had spilt juice in the back, so I really need to wipe that down. But I think that's what I'm about to do. I think so. We made it to the car wash. Finally, it's 11:18. He's shaking his head. But yeah, I need to get this car cleaned up. hungry. I really want a margarita. Found them. Is this the drink menu?
The drink menu's right here.
How y'all doing?
Hi, how are you?
Very good. My name is Jacob. You take care of it all?
Thank you, Jacob.
Here we go. Get your sauce and a drink. Our jumbo margarita special tonight.
Really? How much?
I think they're five or $6.99.
That's not bad.
For a 24-ounce.
And they're frozen?
You can do frozen or fresh.
Oh.
Rocks.
Let me see.
You only do House of Texas.
Only the House of Texas. Okay, let me see.
Unless you want to, if you can add a flavor, but it costs more.
It costs more.
Like it takes off the texture pretty much.
I see.
Oh, hey guys. We are at, what is this place called? Cielo Blue. Oh, my closest to this name.
I got it in the video.
Well, we are Cielo Blue at we are at Cielo Blue, and just this quad.
I do a regular taco.
ASMR. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
I don't know.
Look,
What should I do? A rice?
we are at Cielo Blue, and we are just here to eat. I got some wings. I don't know what my mom is gonna get, as you can see.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents
You guys, it is really cold. Like, it's really starting to get cold here in Georgia. Right now, it says 58 degrees. 58 degrees. This morning, it was probably like about 70 going on like 80. 58 degrees. But yeah, I got this one here. And we're about to go home. It was an incident where there was like a roach at the restaurant. There was like a literal roach, and that kind of messed my mood up. I did drink my drink. Of course I'm gonna drink my drink. But yeah, we're about to go home. It's cold, we're tired. I pray that we get there safely. Times like these is why I kind of wish I had somebody that could come with me. That way they could drive. I'm not saying I drank too much. I'm not like, oh my god, I can't. I'm not like that, but you know, just always you just always gotta, you know, be safe at all times. But what's good? His nose all.
Oh, hi!
What up, sir?
What's up? How y'all doing?
We're on our way home right now. We just
we're driving.
went out to eat. Yeah.
That's what's up. Y'all gonna bring me something?
No.
Boy, please. We don't like you like that.
No. We do
I want
like
some
you.
food.
Swallow your spit. Why are you looking like that? Are you okay? Look at his face. He looks just like you.
No, he does not.
You look just like. I know I look nice. Thank you. I appreciate it. You know. You know.
Oh my god. You're so beautiful.
I know.
He's being sarcastic.
He's being serious. She said you being sarcastic. Why she gotta be like that? Why can't I get a compliment? Hater.
She is beautiful. Look at you.
You just mad because you look like him.
No, I'm mad because
Hey, call me regular though. That way I can drive.
What you need, Joe? GPS or something?
Yeah. I don't know where I'm at. I'm pretty far. I'm like 30 minutes from home, so.
I really need to take a nap before this rap battle. I got a rap battle.
You can't rap.
Yeah, I got a battle rap this guy that do a podcast.
Weren't you sleeping already? My
Yeah.
stomach, bro. Well, you'll be okay. Call me on the phone regular. If not, I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
ugh.
Get off my damn phone.
Ugh.
So yeah, I'm about to go. I love y'all. That's how Grandpa used to be like. This is blurry, ain't it? I'm tired. It is now 11:21. I'm about to take all this stuff off, wash my face, get in the shower, and then I'm going to sleep. Because when I say that drink hit, that drink hit. Ooh, it feels so good. But look at the difference lashes make. Lashes make such a huge difference. It's like an eye transformation. But listen, baby. We're taking this shit off too. Oh yes we are. I will see y'all later. I gotta get in the shower. I'm motherfucking tired. What is going on with my hair though? Y'all see how brown it is? I'll see y'all later.